Hello everyone, it's Annie. Welcome back to the QA Online Academy. Today we are exploring a powerful tool for your automation scripts, the Python match statement. The match statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Instead of writing many complex if-else statements, match offers a much cleaner and more readable way to select one of many code blocks to execute. Here's how it works. The expression is evaluated once, and its value is compared with each case. When a match is found, that specific block of code runs. Let's look at a practical example. We can use a weekday number to print the corresponding name of the day. With day set to 4, the match statement skips the first 3 cases and executes case 4, printing Thursday to the screen. It's that simple and direct. But what if none of the cases match? That's where the underscore character comes in. It acts as your catch-all or default case. By placing the underscore as the last case, you ensure your script always has a fallback action if no specific match is found. We can also combine values using the pipe character, which works like an OR operator. This is perfect for grouping similar conditions together. As you can see, cases 1 through 5 are grouped. If the day is any of those numbers, it identifies it as a weekday in just one line of logic. For even more precision, you can add if statements directly into your cases. These are called guards, and they act as an extra layer of condition checking. This allows you to check for a weekday while simultaneously verifying the month, giving you incredible control over your script's logic. Now, it's your turn to practice. I have a challenge for you to solve right now in PyCharm. Open PyCharm on your computer, create a script that matches a status code, print success for 200, not found for 404, and error for everything else. Great work! Here is the solution. Notice how the underscore catches every code that isn't 200 or 404. You are making incredible progress. Our next chapter will cover while loops, so get ready for that. It's going to be another essential step in your journey. Don't forget to go back to previous chapters and practice at home in your free time. Please subscribe to our channel and leave your feedback below. Visit our official website for more resources. I'm so proud of how far you've come. Keep practicing, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!